In the realm of adventure motorcycling, enthusiasts are constantly seeking the next breakthrough, the machine that will elevate their riding experience to unprecedented heights. Enter the 2024 NX500, a game-changer poised to redefine what it means to explore the open road with a sense of freedom and exhilaration like never before. Unleashing innovation. The 2024 NX500 is not just a motorcycle, it's a manifestation of innovation and engineering excellence. From its inception, every aspect of this machine has been meticulously crafted to deliver an unparalleled adventure riding experience. Powered by a state-of-the-art engine, the NX500 combines raw power with precision engineering, offering riders an exhilarating performance that knows no bounds. Conquering boundaries. Adventure knows no boundaries, and neither does the 2024 NX500. With its rugged design and advanced suspension system, this motorcycle is built to conquer any terrain with ease. Whether navigating rocky trails, sandy deserts, or winding mountain roads, riders can rely on the NX500 to deliver uncompromising performance and stability, allowing them to push the limits of exploration further than ever before. Embracing technology. In an increasingly digital world, the 2024 NX500 stands at the forefront of technological innovation. Equipped with a suite of advanced features, including electronic rider aids, a cutting-edge navigation system, and a customizable digital display, the NX500 offers riders unprecedented control and connectivity on the road. Whether tackling challenging terrain or navigating unfamiliar routes, riders can rely on the NX500 to provide the information and support they need to ride with confidence. Conclusion: a new era of adventure riding. Innovation, performance, comfort, and sustainability, the 2024 NX500 embodies the future of adventure motorcycling. With its groundbreaking design and advanced features, this motorcycle is not just a means of transportation, it's a gateway to new experiences, new destinations, and new horizons. As riders around the world prepare to embark on their next great adventure, the NX500 stands ready to lead the way, revolutionizing the world of adventure riding one thrilling journey at a time.